Let us discuss the duties of directors today. Now, as we have already learned the different types of companies, what are the different types of companies, what is the concept of corporate wheel, and what are the other concepts in the 1% company, 2% company. In the Solomon versus Solomon case, we have understood that the the person who has created the company, registered the company, once the company is incorporated, it has a distinct identity. Now, as we know that a company is a person without mind and body of its own. But to run the company, there shall be some persons who runs the company in the name of the company, in the name of the common seal. So, in who runs the company? Directors. Now you have to understand the before getting into the rights of the directors. Let us understand the duties of directors. Duties of directors, and then we'll go to the rights, what they will enjoy. So let us see duties of directors. Corporate executives are today possessed of immense power which must be regulated, not only for the good or public good, but also for the protection of those investments are involved. Now, once a company is there, once it is listed, we, you, me, and if it is a public company, we put our hard-earned money. We now, once with great power comes great responsibility. There is a code. The directors have a lot of power, but they should be responsible also. And if they are responsible, they should be regulated. They should be regulated. Can you say so many? What are the different scams which happened? Companies. पहला scam was सत्यम, which came into light. सत्यम कंप्यूटर्स बोल के था. फिर उसके बाद Cyrus Misty was a dispute, not a scam. It was succession dispute. He died.
And this
ICICI Chandra. So once the director, some directors will always be faithless to their trust. Faithless to their trust. They can capitalize their strategic position in the company to serve their own interest. The law, therefore, continues to struggle against their vice and imposes upon them certain duties. When properly enforced, will, without driving away from the field competent men, materially reduce the chances of abuse. So, why law is there? To regulate the conduct of the directors, such that they don't abuse their power. Right? So, as we have understood the introduction part of it, why there should be some duties, why there should be law. Now, when we which subject we are reading now? Company law. Let us discuss the statutory position, statutory formulation of directors' duties. The duties are given under section 166 of the Company Act. Section 166 deals with the
Company Act.
Duties. Section 166 of the Company Act 2013 deals with the duties of directors. Duties of directors. The Act of 2013 has, in section 166, statutory formulation of directors' duties. Such duties have been spelled out broadly in terms of 6 points. There are many, but at least you should remember 6 points. There are more than 6, but 6 se kam nahi likhna. So let us discuss the first point. When you read the Bear Act, any Bear Act, आपको क्या करना है? You have to see that there are, what is the section number 166. Whenever you read any section, the very first thing you should see whether the term shall is mentioned or may is mentioned. What do you mean by shall?
Compulsory.
Should be.
Shall means compulsory.
Yes.
Compulsory. May means choice,
Option.
discretion. Now, when you read the section 166 of the Companies Act 2013,
Shall.
it is written as subject to the provisions of this act, a director of a company shall, subject to the provisions of the Companies Act 2013, a director of the company shall act in accordance with the articles of the company. So, what are the parameters which are set for the directors? The directors shall always act in accordance to the articles of the company. Subscription is memorandum. याद रखिए. When you are dealing with the subscription to the memorandum, duties in accordance with the articles of the company. AOA. Now, 166 clause 2. A director of a company shall act in good faith.
Act in good faith.
So, what is the first point you have understood? According to the articles of the company. Second, what are written in the articles? 166 clause 2. A director of a company shall means compulsory, there is no choice.
No choice.
Shall act in a good faith. किस लिए good faith? In order to promote the objects of the company. Shall act in good faith. Now remember, don't duplicate the Bare Act.
Yes.
Do not duplicate the Bare Act. What is written in the Bare Act, it is already written. Whenever you are reading the Bare Act, it shall be in the keywords. Please write down only the keywords which you are making notes. Story आपके दिमाग में रहना. Story should be made in your mind. Keyword should be on your paper or the notes, whatever you are making. So, for example, if I say 166 section 66 1, director, company, shall, articles, bas. These 4 words are enough to make you a sentence.
Yes.
What are the 4 words? Director, company, shall, articles. Articles of the company. Article means articles of the company. Now, when you know these keywords, it becomes easy for you to remember. Make your answer. Next. Second क्या है? Director shall act good faith, promote object of the company. क्या है? Director shall good faith promote object of the company for the benefit of its members. Benefit members and best interest of the company. Benefit of the members and in best interest of the company. Its employees, shareholders, and moreover the community and the protection of environment. So कैसा रहना? What is second duty? Second clause.
Act in a good faith, promote the object of a company, benefit of our members, and profit of company.
Best interest of the company.
Best
interest of the company. अब कंपनी में कौन कौन आते हैं?
Employees,
shareholders,
investors.
As per the Bare Act.
And
उसके पहले Bare Act का प्रोविजंस लिखो, उसके बाद में employees, shareholders, the community, and for the protection of the environment. So what are the keywords you have to remember? Director, company, shall, act, good faith, promote, objects of the company, benefits of the members, best interest of the company. अब कंपनी में क्या क्या रहते हैं? Employees, shareholders, the community, and the protection of environment. ये चीज आपको याद रखना. అవునారా?
Yes. Yes.
Now coming to the clause 3. Director shall duties due and reasonable care, due and reasonable care, skill and diligence shall independent judgment, shall independent judgment.